"Hop in, Leo," said the dad. So the boy got into the truck, and the truck started driving again. This time, the truck drove over the fire escape and onto the roof. "Wow, this is amazing," Leo said. "Look at all the cool stuff we can drive on." The truck said, "Yeah, look, there's a chimney. I bet I can drive on that." The truck said, "Can you drive on a chimney?" "You're not supposed to," said the dad. "Well, let's try," said the mom. So the truck started driving up the chimney. It was a bit tight, but the truck kept going. When the truck got to the top of the chimney, it saw a bird sitting there. "Hello, Mr. Bird," the truck said. "What's your name?" "My name is Tweety." "What's your name, Mr. Truck?" The bird said. "My name is Trucky." "It's nice to meet you, Tweety. Do you want to go for a ride in my truck?" the truck asked. "Sure," said the bird. "Hop in, Tweety," said the dad.